The cosplay Harley Quinn video you just watched is a VR 180 video shot on the latest FM Duo in 8K 60 frames per second side-by-side 3D. Please make sure you set your resolution in 8K and watch this in your Oculus Quest 2 VR headset. I will provide all the latest FM Duo official samples for download and sideload. Links are in the description down below. Watch the in-depth review video if you have not already, link right here. Just to refresh your memory, this is the only VR 180 camera that can saturate the resolution of Oculus Quest 2, the Pico Neo 3 Pro, and the Vive Focus 3, which is 8K in 60 frames per second VR 180. Zcam K2 Pro can only reach 5.7K in 60 frames per second. I think the low light cosplay video looks amazing, super sharp with great color, but I would love to hear what you think. If you love VR 180, please comment below. Tell me what you think and what questions you have on this brand new VR 180 professional camera. I will have my hands on a production unit soon, finger crossed, so I can do a deep dive with you guys with an in-depth post-production tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new here, give me a thumb up if you like the new Suicide Squad movie, and I will see you in VR next time.